Hello, welcome, good morning, cheers ears. Burj Al Arab, we're at the beach. As you can see, Saturday morning, 7:30 a.m. Sunrise. And now, on the beach. This will be my first one with sea. See, nice beach. Good time to come down, really, because for a lot of people it's too early in the morning. It's too early in the morning for me, really, but it's still nice. There's the Burj. Now, the unfortunate thing is, like I said before, a lot of the beach now is commercialized. So hopefully you can see there's the Burj. Behind the scaffolding, that's Jumeirah Beach Hotel. But this used to be a wonderful place to come to and get your photo taken with the Burj. But that, sun's in my eyes, but there is the sea. Yay! Manx meets his best. So, if we just take a walk along the water. There we go, two shells. Keep them. Souvenir of the day. Now, Mr. Taximan told me it was about 24 degrees. So, in the UK now it's about 2 degrees. So it's 7:30 in the morning. I'm in my shorts. And I'm having to wear shades because of the sunshine. One of the many reasons I like being here. And if my calf muscle wasn't playing up, it'd actually be a relaxing, pleasant walk. So at least I can say I've got some exercise today. Have to be careful not to film people, but this is one of the reasons I wanted to come down at this time. Because hopefully not too many people, and I can get this filming, and I'm really pleased, to be honest. Whoops. What a wonderful morning. Absolute wonderful morning. You could wake up in a right downer, be not happy with life, and just be really peeved off. Come down to the beach and jobs are good. You've got the sea, the tide is not very bright, not very bright. The tide, the the tide is calm. So little ripple, cue the water, and it's just lovely, absolutely lovely. I'm glad I got up this time in the morning, to be honest, because normally this beach would be pretty packed and you wouldn't really be able to do this because there'd be too many people here. But good day today, nice day to be able to do anything. And it's nice, I like. I hope you're all doing well. If you have any views or comments or anything you'd like to see or do, let me know. I took a taxi here today because it's a bit out of the way from the metro, but see, even without seeing much, it's a lovely beach. It's quite funny talking about how cold it is in the UK. 24, and I was just about to say when it warms up, it'd be lovely to go on the beach. But here, of course, that is just the norm. Right, now we're getting on to the swimming section. So let us go up the beach. As you can see, pretty nice. What I'll do is I'll give you a 360, and I think we'll call that a day today. Have a wonderful time. Be safe, look after one each other, be happy, smile, respect each other, hug each other. Don't forget to tell your loved ones that you love them. And that, with the Burj, is all, folks. Cheers, ears. Take care, God bless. Love you all.